Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am here with a new video in which I will explain you about the headphone jack problem, or you can say the earphone jack problem in your Mi11i and Mi11i hypercharge. So firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. And now let's move toward the video. Today I will explain how you can solve your headphone jack problem in this device. So just watch the complete video and follow the each and every step as I am showing in the video. Let's watch.